Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video I'm going to demo this really cool Origami Panther Flicker designed by Jeremy Shafer. And here's the tutorial if you want to fold it. And yeah, so here it is. It's a really nice looking panther and it's three-dimensional. And it's got eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And this kind of almost looks like a tongue too sticking out. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And nice ears. And it's not really the best flicker in the world because, you know, it's got all these flaps on top. And it's 3D. But yeah, but it flies pretty good though. You want to see it? Check it out. Alright, here it is, and it's best to flick it on the top of the head here. Here we go. Here, I'll move the camera a little bit so you can see. There you go. Oh yeah, it's best to give it a lot of spin. But yeah, like I said, this isn't the best flicker in the world because it's three-dimensional. Oh yeah, and you could also make it boomerang too. That's what he did in the video, but I'm not gonna show that in this video though because I kind of tried doing that, but it's more challenging though. So I don't think I'll include that in this video, but flicking it is pretty awesome though. Oh god, yeah, my room is pretty messy. Okay. Oh yeah, it kind of looks cool when it spins in the air too, in my opinion. All right, I'll flick it one more time. Oh yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you later. This is my Black Panther signing out. Alright, bye guys.